Okay guys, this is lesson 7 and I'm going to teach you how you can apply transition to your video. Okay, still using this amazing app called Inshot. So let's go straight. You click here as usual, tap on the new option. That's where you can select your video. So now let's select some videos so I can use them to show you an example of what I'm talking about. So like this now, let me pick one and then use it for illustration. Okay, so I'll select this, okay, and click accept. Then okay, so this is it. This is a combination of different videos. How to apply your transition here. Transition is all about adding an effect that will serve as an animation in between two videos. The transition normally appears at the end and at the beginning of two different videos, like you're seeing it here. So you can apply transition here in between where two videos are joined. That's where you can apply transition, and what it does is that it enables a smooth movement of a particular video that you are already playing to another video. So it will not just be like this. It's not going to be like this. When you apply transition, you find out that it's going to display a kind of animated movement from that video to the next video, making it more interesting. But just like I said previously, as you're doing this thing, don't overuse any of the effects, because doing it might get your audience distracted. Instead of focusing on the value you're offering, they will be focusing on just the magic, which I don't think that's what you want. You wanted to get the message. So be mindful of the transition you use so it won't be distracting and boring. Also, transition, you can also add transition in a let's say an object, like I showed us for the test. You apply transition, so it shows how the object will move, let's say come into the video, and how it will move. That's the intro and the outro of anything, let's say object, sticker, then video, how it will come into play and how it will go out. So that's just what transition is. So how to apply it here is, what you have to do is to click here in between these, click on this particular point, this that place I showed us, showing that has something that looks like pen or so. So when you click here, now this is Inshot transition. They have a lots of transition, but most of them are not free, they are paid. You can access them if you pay for their monthly subscription. So but they are free one that you can use excellently to create videos even without subscribing for the paid one. You can use those paid one. Let's say you know that you are already creating videos for people professionally, let's say highly paid, so you need to give them highly let's say quality video. So that's when you can invest on this. But without that, you can still maximize the free one at the moment. Like for example, see how the paid ones are like this. And also, moreover, also note that you can adjust the timing, as in how long it will take the transition, the duration of time it will take the transition to occur. So you can adjust it, so it will not determine how slow or faster it's going to occur. So that's the thing. So that's the thing. So let me show us. You see how that took place. You see all is in exclusive Inshot Pro. So that's to notify you that if you're going for this, it's not going to work except you paid for it. So I'm just trying to show us how those ones work so that you have a glimpse of it. So see how it works, and clicking on some of them. Okay, can see. So you see how it works. Okay, so that's just the thing. So you can see how the movement is. Yeah, so that's how transition occurs. So now let's move to the free one. So that just so clicking on the free one, click on this is how it's going to occur. So it's now moved from that particular video to the next one, and there is this, this. It makes video interesting. You see, it makes video interesting. So this is another one. I normally like making use of this. Then this. If you don't want to apply transition, you can still click this and nothing will happen. So that is just it. So that is it. Then you click accept. So when you play it now, you find that this was going to happen, and then you can decide to apply transitions all the points where two video joins, but make sure that you don't use too many transition. You can just choose one or two and then use them all through the video so that it will not be distracting. Okay, so you can see what happened here. So you can as well use it for this one and then play. Okay, so that's it for that. Okay, so that's how to apply transition. Let me also show you how you can apply transition. Let's say for a sticker, to add sticker to your video. Here, look at the sticker. This is it. So to add sticker, click on it, tap it. This is the one that has been provided by Inshot, this fire, eye, emoji, and the rest of them. And this, so for most cases, and this too. That is it. Why is not displaying it? Because my data is off. Okay, so that's the things you can apply. Okay, let me put the data on. So I have to switch my data off so I won't be getting messages. I'll be distracting this video. It's just like this one now. So but anyway, because of what I want to show you, so when you click on this, you see other options like this. You can choose and make your video looking amazing. Okay, so that is it. That's it. So let's say for example, so that is it, and you can adjust it by tapping on it. You can adjust it and then play it. So that's if you are using GIF, GIF. If you're using it, you're using GIF, then that's when you will use this. But for this content, it's not necessary. We don't need it. So I'm deleting it. That's how to delete your any unwanted. I'm still coming to that actually. So now let's pick a sticker so that I'll also show you what how to apply transition for your sticker. So for the sticker, let's say for example now I'm picking one of these. This is still in that animated form. So let's say I pick this and I click accept. So remember, you can arrange all the things you pick in a way that it will appear exactly where you want it to be. As I've seen this sticker at this particular video, that's where it's going to appear, and this length you see the sticker ended, that's where it's going to end. If you play it now in front of that, that's where it's going to end. It won't appear again. So if I want it to appear in all the content, I have to long press it and drag it to the very end or point, I want the thing to appear. So when I play it, this is how it's going to be. So first of all, how to apply your transition. You tap on it, tap on that very object or sticker. Then here, looking at this, if you click on the red arrow, you find that if you click it, it means delete. You're deleting it. If you click on this, that means you want to edit the sticker. Then that's to change the position. If change how it's facing, so that it will either be facing the left or the right. So, and then this point is to drag it, to drag your sticker, to drag it, increase the length and size. Okay, so now to edit it, this is where you have to click, and that's the point you will click to apply your transition. So when I click on it, this is the option. So I can either choose this, and that's how it's going to come in, and I click this, that's how it's going to come in. This, that's how, or this, or I decide to click this, that's how it's going to appear. This. So be careful. Imagine adding this type of thing. You can see that it's going to be distracting. So it's not necessary for this. When you know that you're talking about Instagram logo, not necessary. So you choose a transition that's really, this one can serve. So you choose a transition that makes sense, that can help the audience grab their attention and don't distract them. Okay, these two can, and you can adjust the length of time. You can adjust it. You can see how it's so that is it, guys. That's how to do it. You see, so that's how to adjust it. So you see now, so that's how to do it. You can click on intro or outro. So once you're done doing that, you click accept. Then let's watch it. You see how it's, so once it's that transition, that's how it's going to be. So that's how it's going to be. That's how it's going to be. So you can see, you know that you don't just add the icon, you type something. So when you type, maybe say follow at Instagram, and follow at your name, Peter C. Joma, then something like that. So it will help your audience to understand why you added that sticker. You don't just add sticker as a beauty. You should have a message that is passing across to your audience. Okay, so when you are done, you click accept, and also you can duplicate your sticker. So how to do that is to, when you highlight, make sure that sticker is highlighted. These are the options, either to add text. If you're adding text, the text will appear on its own, not on the sticker. Or if you click this, you're deleting it. Click copy, you're making a copy of it. Or you click duplicate, the same meaning. So like this now is now 2. So it has been duplicated. If I also click duplicate, you can find that I've duplicated the sticker. So that is just, but be mindful that if you make the sticker longer than the video, it's not going to play. The sticker will rather stop playing exactly where the video stops. So you have to know this too. So when you play, and you can apply different transitions. Let's say this one is already having a transition. I can click here, or I can also click here to edit, to add the transition. When I click here, then I might decide to put it to make it appear like this. Remember, you can adjust it to reduce the duration, or the speed rather. Let's say the speed. So that is it, guys. Then let's play it. You can see they're having different type of transition now. So you click accept, and that is it, guys. So that's how to apply transition. Remember, you can add transition between 2 videos, at the end and at the beginning of the video. You can also add and transition for the text. This one I have showed you in the lesson 4. Also now for the sticker you can do same. Also for the sticker you can import stickers. Like let's say you have a logo you want to import, you can as well do that as well. What you have to do is to click on sticker, and then here let me show you. This is where you can go through your gallery to pick something that will serve as a sticker. But if you click here, that means you want to order for a new sticker that's not presently here. So for example, you click here, that means you want to order for a sticker. The ones that are free, you can see the free ones you can access. Okay, so if you like, you can just click on it to download it. Inshot is what amazing. People underuse it, not knowing that you can use it for lots of things. So so to access it, you know that you have to watch an ad before you can access it. So you just allow it to play. If you stop the ad, it won't enable you to get that sticker you are asking for. And moreover, they are also using the opportunity to market their content. So once you're done watching the ad, you click on the X arrow sign to remove it. You see that we already have this as our sticker. Then so let me quickly go back to the how to get sticker from your inbox. You can see now we now have fresh new sticker that if I click on now, you see, yeah, click on, see, so that is it. So to pick an object or an image from your gallery for your media and then use it as a sticker, then you have to click here. You have to click here. Click here. So when you click there, then these ones are things are the one that I picked previously. I imported them. So because once you use them, then it will appear on this layer. So how to do it is that, and you can as well delete them. You click on the plus icon, click on it, then it will take you to your gallery. Then on your gallery you can select anything you want it to serve as your sticker. Okay, so you pick anything. Let's pick this now. You want it to serve as a sticker, then you click accept, then you animate it by clicking edit. Pick how you want it to appear, then click accept. You can adjust, increase the drag the length so that as long as that's where you want it to appear. So that is it. It's not difficult. It can as well be an image, whatever it be. You can serve as a sticker. So that is just it. So that is it. So that's it. I know you might have noticed some of this thing in people's video. You see a sticker somewhere, so that's just the thing. That's how to do it. So that's it, guys. So I don't want this to be so long. Thanks for watching.